Hello, North Monterey County. My name is Nathan Adams. I'm the Director of Facilities, Maintenance, Operations, and Safety. Our schools are more than buildings. They're where our students grow and succeed. To support them now and into the future, the district has developed the 2026 Facilities Master Plan. A Facilities Master Plan is a roadmap for the future, both short and long term. It's a living document based on professional assessments and community feedback, helping guide smart, responsible decisions for our schools. Most of our facilities are over 60 years old. Aging infrastructure and building systems need modernization to ensure safe, flexible learning environments for our students. The plan focuses on district-wide priorities, including upgrading HVAC systems, improving campus safety and security, replacing aging portables, and right-sizing multi-purpose and dining spaces. The plan outlines a long-term investment of approximately $194 million, including essential repairs, system upgrades, and future capital projects over the next 10+ years. Community input is essential. This spring, we're launching opportunities to hear from you, starting with our Facilities Advisory Committee meeting on Tuesday, January 20th at 5:30 p.m. at the North Monterey County High School Media Center. Together, we can build a strong future for our students. Thank you.